guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to compare two very popular masks. One is Gear and another one is Wildcraft. So these two masks are available in Flipkart and both of these masks are very popular. And the review you can see are very much good, and the user who have purchased this mask are very happy with both of these. So today I am going to compare between these two masks. The reason of the comparison is that though these two masks comes in a very close price range, but there are certain differences, and you can understand after this video that what are the differences. So please stay tuned and watch till the end. So first I will come to this mask. This is Gear mask, and the shape of this mask is conical. It means there is a cone shape where your nose is placed, and for that reason you will feel certain easiness for breathing, and that is the reason this when you wear this mask the amount of fogging is very less over your speak. But on the other hand, this mask comes with a free size, and for that reason if someone having large face might face little difficulty while wearing this mask. The material used in this mask is mesh on the outer side and cotton in the inner side, and it is pretty thick and it is pretty heavy in weight compared to this Wildcraft mask. So let me wear this mask and let me show you how it looks like over my face. Certain difficulties to wear this mask, as you can see how I am adjusting the strip over my ears. There is a ribbon, small ribbon, which will help you to adjust this mask just by touching it. It looks like this one, and I can see there is almost no fogging over my speck while wearing this mask. You can see this is the side. It looks like this, and I can feel very free to talk, and I have no issues while breathing. Let me remove this mask. Now I will come to this Wildcraft mask. This is very much lightweight, and the outer side material is mesh and inner side material is cotton, very nice and premium cotton. There is a clip available here, you can adjust it, but there is no conical shape. It is like a piece of cloth. It is flat, almost flat. So, and this mask comes with three different size: small, medium, large, and this one is large size. So let me wear it and I will show how it looks like. I can pretty easily wear it and it feels very comfortable. However, when I am talking, I feel that the cotton in the inside material comes over my mouth, and there is no space between the nose and the mouth and the mask. So over a long period of time it might create difficulties in breathing, or it might create difficulties while talking. But apart from that, if you are adjusted with this mask, you will feel it very lightweight, and you will feel that you can wear it probably for a long period of time. But if you wear spec and if you ride motorcycle, there are chances that your spec will get fogged. Let me show you how it looks like from side. So let me remove this mask. So as a comparison, both of the masks are very good. This one has downside of fogging, but plus point is that you will get this mask for three size: small, medium, large, and you can buy it according to your own choice. And the positive side is that this is very lightweight and you can wear it for longer period of time, and the material is very premium. And on the other hand side, this mask is pretty good and material is thick and very strong, but it comes with a free size, and if you wear it you will feel very easy to talk and breathe. But for long time if you wear it, you might feel that your lobes are feeling pain, and certain issues might occur related to pain and so. But overall this is a very good quality mask. I will give thumbs up to both of the masks, so you can understand the difference between these two masks and you can make your own choice according to your need. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it will help you to decide which one to buy and which one is most suitable for you. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you have any comment, please write it down in the comment section. And if you are new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Your one subscription gives a lot of motivation to us.